Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. It's that time of week again for an update on what's in the workshop. I'm 2 days in on this Land Rover Defender and replacing the back chassis quarter. As you can see, my workshop looks like a bomb's hit it. It's such a messy job and these things are just crazily rusty. So to strip it out, the tank's located in the middle of the chassis rails, which is such a stupid idea because the tank is almost too big for the hole, and it's got this crazy cover here like a skid guard to protect the tank, which is also bigger than the tank hole. So it's such a job to take it apart. It took us a morning just to strip the car apart and get the tank out because there's no access hole in the top to get the pipes off, so you've got to like half hang it down to remove the pipes. But I've got there. As you can see, I've got the back end in. It's all welded on. I've got to wax all and repaint the back end again. I had to cut all the nuts off, and I've replaced them with stainless. We've got there's the tow bar, the exhaust, and quite a lot of bits to put on yet. I reckon another day's work, hopefully, and obviously the tow bar and electrics to go back on because they were corroded out of the socket. So I'm hoping one more day on it and I shall be there. There we go, the finished article. Hopefully the customer will be well happy. I'm well happy myself how it came out. I've rubbed down and re-satin black the whole cross member because there's a few scratches where I had it on and off, and it's got scratched on the floor. There's some electrics to do on the hitch. The terminals were so corroded I couldn't get it back on, so he's going to have to buy another unit. I have another Land Rover in, a later discovery for MOT welding, but I won't show you as in my opinion it's a bit dull. And my next job is my son's IS200. It's needs some MOT welding. They always seem to go on this spot here. It's really bad on this side, as you can see, and a little bit the other side. And he's fitting a performance exhaust because his back box snapped off, rusted off. So he's bought this Cobra complete system from the cat back, which should sound lovely. Well, it should do. It's expensive enough. He's gone for a bigger end, but as you can see, it's not stupid like some of the Japanese stuff that some of the exhaust people put on Japanese cars. Isaac and my son Dexter are massive fans of the Japanese market cars. My son Isaac's also got an MX-5 with a body kit on. My son Dexter, whose birthday's next week, he wants a Honda Civic, older Honda Civic, as his first car. They're really keen on the Japanese stuff. I don't mind them. They're reliable and fast, but like most cars, they rust. I myself prefer the German stuff, but I respect that everybody's different. I respect their opinion on their cars. Thanks for watching and look out for the next video.